Hey there, Alex Kidman doing a really quick little unboxing of the S22 Plus. So this is a phone that Samsung Australia just sent me for review. I don't think this one's mega fresh in box. I think it may have been used for a few product demos and stuff because it wasn't shrink wrapped when I got it, but I haven't actually opened it yet. Side of the box tells me that this is an S22 Plus in pink gold. Not the colour I would have chosen, but I do like the fact that there is a colour choice. So let's pop it open. Again, I'm just doing this live, no particular script, so if I stuff this up or things fall out of shot, you may point and laugh in the comments below. But there's the phone itself, and yeah, that is pink gold. That is very kind of resolutely pink gold. And look, it's fine if you like the colour. Lots of people do love that gold colour on a phone. It's also very, very, very super reminiscent of last year's S21, so let's be honest here. I'm good with that, actually. I quite like that little cutout design. The way it blends into the side is really quite neat. I think it looks quite sophisticated, quite good. Reasonable looking phone. Odd device though, because I do think this is the weird kind of middle child of this particular phone set, given that the S22 is going to be a bit cheaper, and of course the S22 Ultra is the one that has all the fancy notified features. But hey, it's powering up. I'll be able to set it up in just a minute. Let's have a quick look at what else is in the box, although I'm not expecting much because, let's face it, we get a do not accept if seal is broken. Well, the seal is broken, so I probably shouldn't have accepted it. We get a tiny little thing with, a SIM tool, and I'm guessing some instructions. Maybe we get a little slipcase. Let's have a look. No, of course, it's just a cable. What was I thinking? Of course, it's just a USB-C to USB-C cable, because these days, of course, you don't get a charger in the box anymore. You have to supply that yourself. One of the differences, I suppose, with the S22 Plus, I should mention, apart from that screen size over the S22, is you do get 45 watt charging rather than 25 watt. It's also, I think, Wi-Fi 6E and ultra wideband, which you don't get on the S22, but you do get on the S22 Ultra. Anyway, I'd better get to actually testing out this bad boy. Thanks for watching. If there's anything you'd like to know, let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, as every YouTuber ever always says.